Today we'll discuss about a concat function in SQL. So I have a table, a person's table, and I'm using AdventureWorks 2022. So let's run this query. I already ran. So we have first name, the middle name, and last name. So I want only one column instead of all these three columns. So what I will be doing is I will just use concat function to merge all these columns to a single column. So that could be my full name. Okay. So this is my full name. So what I would be doing is concat. So I will be doing first name, comma, and I would be giving spaces in between all these columns. Okay. Next, middle name, comma, and last name. Okay. So as full name. Okay. So this would be my table. And this is select. So this is my column name. So I would be, yep. This is my column name. And this is my table name. And I'm selecting this. Okay. So let's run this. So instead of having all these three columns, I would be having only single column now. Let's run it. Yeah. See, this is my full name. And I get all the columns. So if you have any requirement kind of this, you can go with concat function. Yeah, thank you. Thanks for watching.